Hi, my dear friend. I'm sourcing the sandwich panel for my Australian customer. Loading a container of the sandwich panels, a 40-foot container. See, this container is very long, 40 foot, 40 foot. They sealed with the tape. We call this sandwich board. Good. Look over here. Come close. Come close. The middle is a rock wool panel. Rock wool panel. The middle. The two sides are metal sheets. Metal sheets. And the engine is sealed by the tape. These are all the goods ordered by my Australian customer. These goods. I found this manufacturer, this factory, from my Australian customer. That's the production line. Let's take a look at the production line. The sandwich panel has different colors. This was the only one. Customized. The sandwich panel, color, and the size are customized.
Sai qua bà.
You seal with the tape. Tape. Right down. Tape. Okay, which way we go?
This way.
We go to their warehouse. This is their warehouse. This is their storage warehouse. This is the raw material of the sandwich panel. This is the foam. There are two kinds of sandwich panel. One is between is foam. The other one between is rock wool. You say foam. This is rock wool. Optional. You can use rock wool or foam to make a sandwich panel. You see, very long foam panel, very long foam panel. They produce the sandwich panel, very long size, the sandwich panel, make a wall or roof tile. for production room. Pretty big warehouse. This is their storage. This is their raw material for producing on chip panel or sandwich panel. This is the storage of metal sheets. Too many metal sheets. Raw material of the sandwich panel. Metal sheets. Only 1 millimeter. How many millimeter this thickness?
0.4.
0.4 millimeter. Very thin. This factory calls these sheets pre-colored galvanized sheets, metal sheets, pre-colored galvanized metal sheets.
左边的，这里面。
This way. See this big container house. I call it a flat pack container house. Flat pack container house. Or prefabricated container house. The corner is very hard steel. Very thick and hard steel. The wall is their panel. Sandwich panel. Let's go upstairs to check this prefabricated container house quality. Let's go upstairs. Window and glass window. This prefabricated container house even connected LED. We can see pretty much similar quality. They even have the cable. And connect to the cable switch. LED, can install LED. Everything. Alright, done. Finish. 可以了吗？
可以了。